It's full of cars. Sparrow.
Yeah.
We are at the Paro of Santander. Our hotel. Look at this. It's beautiful, no? And there's my husband. This is our hotel in Santander. Amor, I'm still opening. It's open the door. Look, and that they're outside. And our bed.
It is a big suite. It is like an apartment.
Yeah. This is the. Hi there. The toilet. And my handsome boy. Hello, Amor. And we can open this. Hello, Santander. Can open this. Oops. And look at that. Something green. And that is the sea there. See. Hello, Santander. So beautiful. And this is the owner. And look at that. Go. Hi. What is that? Bull?
Fighters.
Bull fighters.
Fighter crowd.
Oh, Julian Lopez. El Julie.
Oh,
Sa bullfighter yata
it's
to?
very important, yeah.
He's a bullfighter, no?
Yeah, very now.
Look at that. Dito tayo sa Paro ng Santander, guys. Welcome, Santander. That's the Faro de Cova Mayor. And look, I'm scared too, but I'm scared to go there. Look at that. Hello, Santander. Hi. And look, I'm scared, guys, but look at that. I'm scared to go here. Look at, hello, Santander. This one is the whole city of Santander.
Meno loro c'hanno mezzo in piano.
Come on, baby, please.
Hi, Santander. Welcome to Santander. And that the city, we are in the, I don't know what is this, they call Santander. Yan ang playa ng beach ng Santander. Ayan. Dito tayo. Santander. Santander. They have a name of Santander. Hello, Santander. They have a name there. The Casino of Santander. Who wants to play here? We have a Casino of Santander. That's one. With my husband.
Hola.
Santander. We are at the Magdalena Palace.
The palace I go to the car, ¿vale?
With my husband Soplado. Santander. Now we are in the city of Santander. We are on the park.